She pulled my bag to her face and used my bag basically as a tissue and sneezed on it.
It's our last day in Krabi, Thailand before we fly to Chiang Mai, where we'll get to meet gorgeous rescued elephants, explore shining temples, and learn the joys of Thailand's 7-Elevens.
The water's only 13 baht. The little bars are only 15 baht. We got a lot of snacks.
Today is one of those awkward days when we know we're going to have to be on a plane in the afternoon, but we still have just enough time to stuff in a little bit more adventure before we leave. We're focusing on delicious food and relaxation in preparation for our transfer to the big city.
So Justin's hair inflated. He has a full-on afro right now. I love it.
Island hair.
Island hair. Oh my God.
Breakfast.
I love that breakfasts here are basically lunch.
I wish we could like come start at 7 with coffee and then come back like at 10 and have lunch.
That would be amazing. All right, this is our last day at the Riley Great View Hotel. We're gonna go to the beach and take some pictures since it is morning. The light is beautiful. The ocean is blue and sparkly. Oh yes. Okay, so B-roll of my hut up next. So Justin has been getting rashes on his leg, and ever since he stopped putting sunscreen on his legs and stopped exposing them to as much sun, he seems to feel better. He's sunscreenless right now, so that could go badly. This is the last time we're gonna be doing this walk, and then we're going to Chiang Mai today. We have a flight at 6:30 p.m. Justin's in the water getting pictures of boats. We really should have gone on the 4-island tour today. The water is crystal clear. It looks beautiful. And the weather's absolutely perfect. Oh well.
Happy Justin.
We're home. Time to pack, check out. We don't have to leave the hotel until 3:30, so we're gonna try and fill that time with something cool. We are officially being lazy. We are gonna go find a place to sip on a drink, eat something, sit and do nothing. They have a pad thai omelet here. When I saw this on the menu, I knew I could not try this. We'll see how it is. Does it have egg on the bottom? No, it's just like a giant egg on top of pad thai. That goes really well together. You know how fried rice always has eggs in it?
Yeah.
It tastes kind of like that. Yeah. This is Justin's meal. Check that out.
Really good.
Be really good? Justin's the experimental one. He likes trying new things. I just like having pad thai over and over. A good doggo. So today we are acting like bums. Justin's in the pool. I'm just sleeping. And when we get our flight to Chiang Mai, we don't really have anything to do when we land except to maybe find food. So it's an off day. We're chilling today. But tomorrow we get to meet elephants. resort has a parking area for people who want to drive their cars and then get the boat to go to their hotel. And our van was parked here, waiting for us to take us to the airport. Our bags are checked. We're at the airport super early. We left a lot of time for things to go wrong and nothing went wrong. So we have a little bit of breathing room. Time for security.
I'm sure this is a little excessive, but there's
Thank you. That's fabulous.
I want to go give that lady one.
I know, right? Can we give one to the woman who's like sneezing in security? So we're going through security and one of the security guards who is dealing with people's stuff opens up my bag and has my bag wide open on the table. And then she had to sneeze. So she pulled my bag to her face and used my bag basically as a tissue and sneezed on it. And I'm over here like, and of course she's coughing and like touching everything. And so I just did the most intense like rub down of all my stuff with disinfectant. But Tina and Matt have N95 masks. We have regular surgical masks, so we're taking these N95 masks from them because things are getting bad in South Korea. And we're probably going to have to go through South Korea, and we want to make sure we have the absolute best equipment possible. Thanks, guys. You're the best. Time for a 2-hour flight to Chiang Mai. Touchdown in the Chiang Mai airport. We have to wait for our bags, and then we're going to take a Grab taxi to our hotel. Okay, we just said goodnight to Tina and Matt, and they're not staying at the same hotel as us. They got a different hotel. We are staying at the Chiang Mai boutique, right? Which is apparently a laundromat, or not. Our room is on the 3rd floor, and the receptionist is the sweetest lady I've ever seen in my life. She is so desperately pleasant. Holy smokes.
I'm pretty sure this is the fruit that stinks, like really, really bad.
Oh, really? It's
So-
banned from the whole hotel? No stinky fruit in this hotel. Here's a room. There's a television.
It smells super clean.
We have a simple little shower. It's really, really clean. This hotel room is costing us $20 a night. So $10 per person is what this room is costing. So it's pretty basic, but it's clean and quiet and sweet. It's perfect.
It is our pleasure to inform you that the below-mentioned articles are furnished in your room for your comfort and convenience. Should you require any of these articles as a souvenir, please contact our reception with prices. The lamp is 1,000 baht. So if you want to buy a lamp for 1,000 baht,
Lamp? What lamp?
Someone already bought it.
Someone must have already bought the lamp because there's no lamp in here.
And I heard that 7-Eleven has these grilled cheese sandwiches that are like $1.
Are you sure you want $1 grilled cheese sandwich from
But they're supposed to be good.
Okay,
So I
but
figured
it's
let's try it.
grilled cheese
I know.
from
Let's do it.
the gas station. These are the grilled cheese sandwiches that Justin is talking about. I kind of want to try the burger just for science. Mashed potato and ham. I have opted for the ham and cheese croissant, and Justin's getting the ham and cheese sandwich. I think there's freaking $1 cake. I want $1 cake. What is that?
I have no idea.
Local chips? No, I have no idea. Okay, sounds good, Justin. This all sounds really good, actually.
You want both?
Yeah, for science. These are 12 baht. Yes. We had these before, and they were 40 baht in Krabi, and they are 5 baht here. Yes. Dude, these are all 5 baht. I want to try everything. The water's only 13 baht. Where have we been? Justin, the water's 13 baht. This is ridiculous. For less than $1, you can have a crab stick, mayonnaise, and tuna mayonnaise double pocket sandwich. The little bars are only 15 baht. That can't be real. We got a lot of snacks. Oh my gosh, they warmed up the sandwiches here for us. I can't believe it. This is amazing. We might have gone a little overboard. Our sandwiches are ready. Dude, this is gonna be so good. I can't believe this. Our bag of treats is kind of massive. We have 2 sandwiches, freshly grilled, and it was all about $8. I never thought I would be saying this sentence, but that was the best experience I've had in a 7-Eleven in my entire life. So we're gonna try these. This is the grilled cheese kind. That's a solid little sandwich right there.
Pretty good.
The croissant one is better. It's like actually flaky like a croissant. I don't know how they accomplished this with only like 80 cents. Trying things that we can't read continues. This is like a extreme hot chili flavor. It smells funny to me. That's good. Justin has hidden the magic bag of treats from me. He is rationing them, so I don't even get to try them all today, but I do get to try my cake. Good morning, Chiang Mai. It is 6:30 in the morning. Oh boy. We're already up. We wanted to see some temples at sunrise because at 8 o'clock we're being picked up to go to an elephant sanctuary. And we wanted to get some stuff done before the elephant sanctuary, just in case we didn't have time later. The sky was really pink for a second, which was so pretty. We're both really well rested and happy. It's a very strange feeling to be halfway through a trip and not even be tired, sore, and cranky. Chiang Mai is starting to wake up. Sun's coming up. The sky is getting a little bit blue instead of pink. We're looking for a 3rd temple.
It's across the river.
Across the river? What river?
A little moat that surrounds the city.
Oh, okay. So here's the moat. We're in the middle of dry season right now, so there's not a whole lot of water.
I've never seen a sunrise like that.
Dude, this sunrise is absolutely unbelievable. Are you kidding me? The sunrises here are like a painting. This is not like it was for us in China. We found what amounts to a Thai kolache factory.
I'm gonna get a couple.
A couple?
For my breakfast.
Okay. Justin and I have a problem. And our problem is that we shop while hungry. Justin, show them our haul. Breakfast! We don't know if they're good, but we're about to find out. Oh, is this the temple that we're going to? We're here. What time is it?
It's 7:20.
7:20? No, we need to go back.
We need to be there at 8.
These are not labeled in English, so we're just sort of biting in, seeing what we get. The filling is dry. The texture of this filling is so strange. It tastes okay. Do you want this one? Because I don't think I like it.
What do you think?
I think that's shredded pork, sort of. Either that or it's the pizza. Either way, it's kind of an abomination. We're back at the hotel now. We're gonna grab some coffee. Time to go change and get ready.